Hi, today I'm part me OPPO A16S and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and now on the search bar we should enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application. You should get this application, but I'll just click here to open. You should click here only to install application, and after that just tap to open, and after that we'll see here all the available just information about our device battery. For example, the temperature of the battery is 21 and 4 degrees. Also we can see here more information like the health, capacity, voltage, model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.